New Year, you guys. Happy New Year, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Keeping my life order, your life, your journey, and lifestyle that fits for you. Today we are vlogging, you guys. I have a lot of stuff to do. I don't even know if I'm gonna accomplish everything today. And so, yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. But anywho, you guys, I have been dealing with laryngitis, okay? And I got it, it's probably in my, I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but I'm feeling a whole lot. I sound a whole lot better than I did before. So I still got the little raspiness in my voice a little bit because I'm still trying to deal with the aftermath, you know what I mean? So, but I do sound better. So if my voice sounds a little different, that is why. Right now, you guys, I'm at the post office and I am about to drop off some orders. And then after that, I need to go to the bank. Really. And once I need the bank, I want to do some calendar planning. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop by, like, I'm probably gonna go to Panera Bread. I'm gonna do some calendar planning. That's one thing I want to do. And then we're celebrating my niece's 13th birthday. We're doing like we're going to some kind of fun place, some of that. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, so I have to do that. But right now, let me go into this post office before it gets crowded. As I enter into 2023, I can say, you guys, God has really afforded me the opportunity with more time. And the one thing that I'm noticing is that I need to be more effective with my time management. So I said to myself that I'm going to start committing just more of calendar planning for the next week, so I can just make sure that I am maximize my time, because I have so many different goals and things that I need to achieve, and I have a lot of opportunity now to do those things. And just to show my sense of gratitude, I want to just be very, very cognizant of the things that I'm doing and how I am spending my time. So I'm going to take more of these opportunities to go to like Panera Bread or to the library, just to make sure that I am really, really being proactive, so I can be able to achieve the goals that I want to achieve and get to the place where I know God is taking me. All right, you guys. Ooh. All right, y'all, I am back. I had to go home, change some clothes after I left Panera Bread. So now we are about to celebrate my niece's 13th birthday. We are at a place called Beat the Bum. I've never been here before. I don't know what to expect, you guys, but I'm very, very excited for her. She's excited. So we're about to go in here, have some fun with the family, and I will see y'all in the next clip. y'all, as you can see, we have made some stops today. I'm so happy, y'all. I have really been searching and trying to find me a picture from my office. When I was in Ross and they had my picture, I was so happy, y'all. Like, elated with joy, because I need one so bad. I haven't want one. So I got my picture and I picked up a couple of more items from the store. Yeah, I was not really, honestly, I wasn't really impressed with Bath and Body Works, and maybe because it was the location I was at too. But they didn't have like a whole lot of items to choose from as far as they semi-annual sale. So I did get some things, but I have been collecting things for a while now. So I'm gonna do a huge Bath and Body Works haul. So you guys look forward to that video. I am headed back to the house. I was trying to stop at Aldi, but y'all, I ain't got a quarter. Yeah, I don't have a quarter. You know, you gotta have a quarter for the baskets. I got the wrong purse, first of all. I got my little cutesy dootsy purse that I swapped out yesterday, which has my change in it. Girl, I don't have a quarter, so I can use some baskets. So anyway, I have an appointment tomorrow anyway, so I'll just make sure I put some change in this little cutesy dootsy purse I'm wearing today, and I'll just go shopping tomorrow. But now I'm finna head back to the house, and I'm gonna show you guys the picture. I think I showed you a clip of, but I did find my picture from my office. So I'm gonna head back home, show you guys how it's gonna look. We're gonna put my picture up, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this picture. All right, y'all, I made it back home. So I wanna show y'all something that I picked up from Ross. Cute little basket, y'all. It's so cute. It's absolutely adorable. And so it opens and closes, right? So my thought process was to get 2 of those, because as you can see, I have end tables as my nightstands right now, and I've had them for years. But when I was in the store, I was like, just go ahead and get one. So I'm going to place this one under this end table, because my little section gets a little cluttery and it just drives me crazy. So I just want to start placing certain items, like all of my books, my readings and stuff, in here, so it just won't just be sitting on this nightstand like this. As you can see, that one's always clear. And I was like, it's not a big deal, because it's not like when people really walk into my room, they actually look over there. The first thing you see is this spot right here. So we're gonna see how this is going to look, y'all. Okay, y'all, I like it. It fits perfectly, actually. It's not too bad. I really like this. And this basket was like $15.99. Yeah, I really like this. Okay, that works for me. Okay, y'all, so I did get me 2 sweaters from Ross. Just, something I needed, just some sweaters. And so this is one of them, and it's a red sweater. Now, I will tell you, the actual material is a knit material, and it's a very light knit material. So if you want to wear this sweater, you may want to like put a tank up under it or something like that. Now, it's a lot of things that you can do with a red sweater. Like for this, you can actually throw a scarf around your neck, tie it up, make it really nice. You can wear some kind of vest with this. You know how they're wearing the puffer jackets. You can wear like a puffer vest with this, funk it out with some jeans and some boots or whatever. It's so much you can do with this type of sweater. The sweater was $9.99. I like it because it's red, of course, and it fits really good. It fits real good, y'all. All right, so this is the next sweater I got. Now, yeah, I am wearing a white tank up on here just in case you can see it. The thing I like about this sweater is that it is more of a thicker or a heavier type of knit. Patterns, I love, look at the pattern, you guys. That is so nice. It's very, to me, like really chic, clean, and neat. And then, the sleeves, they don't come all the way down to your wrist. However, there's some nice roll-up sleeves you can wear. Now, what sold me on is, look at this, you guys. The back. The back is just absolutely cute. This is what gives this sweater that type of pop to it. Like, oh my God, that is so cute. Not heavy. Again, it's not heavy, but it does have like a a medium type weight to it. So this is really, really nice. Now, it's not the warmest sweater. So if you want to layer up with some more pieces, I would encourage you to do that as well. But it's really, really nice. And if you're worried about your neck being out or something, again, you can throw on a nice little scarf tied up and boom, have you a nice casual look. You can also, this is one of those sweaters that you can dress up with a nice blazer. This would look really, really nice with a blazer. This one's $13.99. I really like it, y'all. This is cute. She's really, really cute. So we're back in my, now we're downstairs in my office. I don't know why the lighting is so soft down here, but it is what it is. I know, it's just what it is. Anyway, we're back in my office. So I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna put the picture. All right, so this is a picture, you guys, and I think it was about, this is a picture, it was $34.99. I think it's really, really cute. I have an orange and yellow theme in my office, and the pictures and the paint on my wall is like a really, really soft muted gray. So I think this picture would be absolutely beautiful. Hey, she is really perfect. Ta-da! She is perfect. Like, really a perfect fit, y'all. Oh my goodness. Words can't explain how happy I am about this. Doesn't she look cute? This is so cute. Yes. Very, very cute. End the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.